All right, guys, check it out. 2023 Yukon Denali 6.2 liter. Check it out. Nice black on black, all murdered out. Let me show you guys what we've done. Cat there, wise into a single. Holly sent us this kit over. Part numbers right there. Full catback system. Starts right there at this clamp. You reuse this clamp and then everything else becomes new. It wasn't that hard to put on. We didn't have too much issue. There it is. It's a 3.5-inch pipe right there. Goes into a Flow FX muffler. Here's the part number. It's part of the kit right there. Comes in that kit that I was telling you guys about. They just came out with it, sent it to us, said, test it out for us. Tell us what you guys think. So that's what we did. So we're going to test it for them right there. So there's the Flow FX, and it comes with this little hanger there for different applications because it fits 21 to 26 Yukons, Tahoe, Suburbans, Yukon XLs. We even had to trim some of the pipe here to make it fit that. And it says that in the directions of it. Quality. I like the quality. It's all polished stainless steel. There's the tailpipes. It was a little bit hard to get the tailpipes over, but we got them. We did have a little issue with the tips. We had to tack them because they would not tighten up all the way for some reason. But there it is. Other than that, it looks really nice and clean. Nice black polished tips. There's the clamp there. And it fit clearly and comfortably. So everything clears, everything fits. All the bends are good. We didn't have any issues. And there it is out the back. I love the look of the new tips on it. They look really nice and clean, as you guys can see right there. Nice and tucked. Just a good looking tip style there and there. All right, double wall stainless steel black chrome. There's the old system that we cut off. We let you guys hear it before. Had the resonators there, the tailpipes, the intermediate pipe, and the bore muffler. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. 2019 Cadillac Escalade with 52,000 miles all the way from New York. He moved to Nashville. Welcome to Nashville. And he's like, I've been watching you guys for years. I said, I got to get my exhaust done. So I got you. We'll hook you up. So converter, Y pipe, third converter. And then as you guys can see from this, it's a Corsa axle back kit. We had to cut it there because that bolt is rusted and will break. And they did not supply a clamp, so we didn't have one in stock either. So to complete the job, we just cut it and welded. It's better than leaking. Then the flex pipe goes there. That all came part of the kit, by the way, this piece with the flex pipe. There's the ginormous muffler. As you guys can see, look, it's huge. Boom, boom, boom. 6 handfuls. It's huge and wide. But some way, it still makes a lot of sound. So we'll see. Then tailpipe 3-inch, all mandrel bent. And then there's that sexy tip at the end, the Corsa style tip right there. Came out nice and clean, as you guys can see right there. There it is. All nice and done. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. 2023 GMC Yukon Denali with the Flowmaster Flow FX system that's supposed to increase 15 horsepower, 17 foot-pounds of torque, and it's supposed to have no drone. So let's see. Here's first startup. Go ahead. It's got a beefy sound to it. Nothing crazy. I like the embroidered Flowmaster on top. I like that. And you can tuck these tips out or in. We like them tucked in like this. Just clean. Just gives it a nice, clean overall look. Give it gas. Wow, that is throaty. What do you think of that sound? Again? Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 97.4. So if you want a commuter series, not crazy loud, but just a nice, deep, beefy sound, Flowmaster Flow FX is the way to go. They just came out with this. So it shows you, they came out with it for the 21 to 26. Here's the part numbers. It fits all 6.2 liter engines, the Tahoe, Suburbans, Yukons, and Yukon XLs. And I'm pretty sure they have them for trucks too. Again. Clean. All right, go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Here we go. Back to the action we go. Nice clean stance on the side. That's a clean black chrome tips. They look good. They picked a good choice for the tips too. Yukon Denali 6.2 liter with the Flowmaster Flow FX catback. Clean idle. You guys barely hear on idle. That's all the manufacturing smoke burning off when they did the manufacturing oils. Let you guys hear on the inside. Cadillac Escalade with the Corsa catback system. Single. Go ahead. In your way. Nice idle to it. Give it gas. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. What do you think, boss? You like it? This sounds perfect. Again? That sounds really clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 101. So it's not crazy, but still throaty. Again? Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. It's a little bit hot today, but it's okay. It is what it is. This is our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. Give us a call or come on by. Sounds even better outside. Oh yeah, that's clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. This is inside. Here we go. Sounds pretty good. I cannot lie. I like that sound inside. All right, here we go. GMC Yukon drive off. You guys ready to hear it drive off? With the Flow FX system. Part number 718216. Catback system. Supposed to guarantee no drone and guarantee 15 horsepower, 17 to 19 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? It's clean. No rasp whatsoever. It's just a deep, clean tone. He's gonna do a drive-by next. We'll show you guys that next. Stay tuned. That ain't bad at all. It sounds clean.
That's good.
19 Escalade with a Corsa Extreme system, Corsa Performance, cab back single exhaust. She's ready to rip and roll. Here we go. Wow, that is clean.